Properties of determinants. If we change all rows into column, means if we take the transpose of matrix A and find the determinant, then determinant of A and determinant of A dash will be same. So transpose determinant of this transpose and original determinant value will be same, so we can perform the property this Ri to Ci means change the rows into column. Now if we interchange any two rows or the column, then the sign of determinant changes, means if it is positive then it is negative, then it is positive, means value. If any two rows or columns in the determinant are identical or same or proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. If we multiply each element of a row or column of a determinant by constant k, then value of determinant will be multiplied by k. And the other property is multiplying determinant by k means multiply elements of only one row. In matrix we multiplied by k means each and every element were multiplied by k, but in determinant multiplying particular row or column with k means particular column and row will be multiplied. Now this is the property. And if elements of row or column in the determinant can be expressed as the sum of two or more elements, then the given determinant can be expressed as the sum of the, this is also the property. When we do the sum, then I will tell you. And the other property is if each element of the row or column is multiplied by some number and added into the other row or column, the value of determinant will be same. Property, we are taking some examples and then we will go for the exercise 4.2. First is the example number 11. Prove that this determinant value of this determinant is a cube. So as we have done in primary elementary operations in matrices, we are doing the same thing. We want to make a 0 in some row or column. So here we can see if we multiplied this A by -2 and add into this second, then it will be 0. If we multiply this A by -3 and add into third, then it is 0. So what we write? We want change in R2. What change we required? R2 minus 2 R1. We want change in R3. What type of change we required? R3 minus 3 R1. So multiply first R1 by 2 minus 2, add into this. So this will be 2A plus 2B. Add minus 2A minus 2B, subtract this, so A will remain, and A plus B plus C multiplied by 2 and subtract from this. So 4A minus 2A, it is 2A. Then 3B minus 2B, it is B, and 2C minus 2C 0. Now again multiply the first row by 3 and add into subtract from this. So minus 3 से multiply करो. So minus 3A add into this. 3 minus 3A minus 3B. So 6A minus 3A. 3B cut. Then 10A minus 3A. It is 7A. 6B minus 3B. It is 3B. 3C minus 3C. It is 0. So this will come. Now this A and 3A we also can make 0. So multiply this second row by -3 and add into third row. So we require the result in R3. R3 minus 3 R2, we will get this result. Then now open this determinant with the help of this first column. So first column and first row will cut. This determinant will remain. So answer is a cube. You can this expand with R1 also. Okay. See, without expanding, we want to prove that this determinant is 0. We are given x plus y, z1, y plus z, x1, z plus x, y1, column wise. Now we can add R1 and R2 in R1. So R1 is x, y, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y. Take x plus y plus z common. So this row 1 and row 2 are same. So by the property, if any two rows or columns are identical or proportional, then the determinant is 0. Number 13. Evaluate this sum. So again, when 1 1 1 is given, make this 2 1 0. So R1 minus R2. This is R2 minus R1, sorry. R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, B minus A, CA minus BC, 1 minus 1 0, C minus A, AB minus BC. Take C common, take B common. Then by taking common B minus A from R2 and C minus A from R3, so B minus A, C minus A, 1 A, B, C, 0, 1, here minus C because it was A minus B there. So if I am taking B minus A, then here it is minus C and here it is minus B. Now cross multiply of these two, you will get the answer A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. See example number 14. We want to prove this 4ABC. LHS is B plus C, B, C, C plus A. See, you can see here in column, here it is B plus C, B and C. C plus A, C and A plus B, A and B. So, take all the numbers into first row. Means take R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, you will get 2 times B plus C, 2 times C plus A, 2 times A plus B. So, take 2 common. Now we can easily make this 2 0 by subtracting R2 from R1. So R1 minus R2, B will subtract from B plus C, so C will remain, C plus A subtract from C plus A, so it is my 0, A plus B minus B, so it is A. Now this C, 0 and A. So the row which one has 0 can be subtracted from the other row. So taking R3 minus R1, C minus C, then this is C minus 0 and this is A plus B minus A. Now taking this B, subtract from this B, second row. So R2 minus R3, so you will get this determinant, you get 3 zeros are there, so minimum 3 0 is required for the expansion. Now take expansion with the help of first row, so we will get A plus B plus C. Example number 15. Here we will use the sum property of the determinant. See where it is given like this, third column or any column or row given in addition, then we can separate the determinant in two parts. So first two column will be as it is in both the determinant, and this will be 1 1 1 and this will be x cube, y cube, z cube. Okay, this is the property of determinant. Taking y minus x, z minus x common and then expand, you will get this result. So we have delta is equals to 0. So from 1, delta is equals to 0, y minus x, z minus x, z minus y, 1 plus xyz is equals to 0. Now y minus x, z minus x, z minus y cannot be equal to 0 because they are not same, it is given. So 1 plus x plus y plus z is equals to 0. Now example 16, it is important sum. So again C1 minus C2 and C2 minus C3. So by taking C1 minus C2 we will get this determinant. Now R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 we will get 0 here, here B, here minus B minus A. Now open the bracket with the help of first row. So A into B into 1 plus C minus C into minus B minus A. Now simplifying this, you will get this result, AB plus ABC plus AC plus BC. But we not required this result. We will require ABC outside. So take ABC common. So it will be ABC common means here AB is there. So 1 by C. ABC is there, so it is 1. AC is there, so 1 by B. And BC is there, so 1 by A. So it is 1 by B, 1 by C plus 1. And ABC is common.